That's a fail. Hold on. There we go. Wait, let's see if I can. Hold on. Oh, almost. Oh, oh my goodness! Come on. Please work. Wow. One more time. Oh yes! Alright, that was lucky. So I think this is, I mean, this is going to be a speed build. I don't have all of these, and with every single one of these, here, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for real? Hold on a minute, hold on, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Wait, hold up. Yeah, 7. And if you were to collect all 7, you'll get Golden Freddy. My brain wasn't working. I couldn't calculate that for a second. I don't know what. That's simple maths. This doesn't have any place to open it. What? I'll get my favorite knives and open it all fancy like. You know what? No, I won't open it all fancy like. Okay. Just kidding. Don't ever play with knives, okay? Oh my goodness, I need to dust off the knife. Alright. Yeah, what? I have my jacket laying right beside me. Might as well just brush off all the dust off the blade onto the jacket. Now it's all dusty. What was I thinking? Whatever. Yeah. So let's see what's in here. Oh. Oh my goodness. There's actually more stuff that I thought there was. Okay, well. Oh, look at this. This one, this actually looks good. Ooh. Let's just prop this up. Just a little bit closer in. Focus. Focus. This almost looks kind of creepy, actually. I like it. Too bad this is from 2016, so I can't get it. Well, I mean, I can get it, but not so easily anymore. I'd have to order it online. Oh, this is kind of interesting. These, if you're to flip this open, it has all the characters here, all 7 characters. It's funny, all 7 characters except they're 8-bit. 8. There should have been 8. That would have been cool. So here are the instructions. I kind of like that. That's pretty cool. And then here is just, oh my goodness. If you're to collect all 7, oh yep, collect all 7. Did I not see that on here? Yep, I didn't see it. It says collect all 7. How did I not see that? Anyways. So, this is quite interesting. Who keeps texting me? Oh, okay, it's a glitch. Not necessarily a glitch. I mean, it is. Just, you know what? Alright. Yeah, you know what? Might as well tell you. This video got long, but whatever. Basically, a text went through, and somehow the phone glitched out and sent the text a second time. So, let's build this, and I will see you in just a minute. I'm going to speed build this in a special way. New way. of speed build. Here we go.
So many years I spoke about the same cloud language and force. Once I read the line, you'll see that fate went full circle, and the force now became Palpatine's code word. When it came to Luke, the creator, how only Vader could feel him, and Palpatine feels a block in the force. Palpatine felt him. It was almost a taunt. He knew the Emperor was
Yoink. So this is 8-bit Freddy. Portable. Oh, 8-bit Freddy. And this is what we have of Golden Freddy. Yeah, I'm not joking. That's how you build part of him. You know what? Let me go get a minifigure to show you the size. This guy. Let me see. Here's a minifigure. Alright. We will just use J without his hair. We'll just put him right here. There we go. Now I kind of wonder, is that how big the animatronics really would be? Let's just assume that that J is, let's see here. Let me see. Let's just assume that each stud is 1 foot. So J would be, let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's, say, 5 feet if a stud is a foot. So let me see here. Let me just count this. Okay, so I just used this. I counted these. I counted at least 20, so he's at least 20 feet if studs are 5 feet. And for those who don't use the Imperial system, let me see here. How many meters is 5 feet?
It's 1.52 meters.
I think that's how it goes. How many meters is 20 feet?
It's 6.1 meters.
All right. 20 feet or 6.1 meters. So, yeah. This set came with 13. This set came with 13 pieces, including this. So this altogether makes 13. So if we were to take these away and just leave Freddy, it would make 10. But 13 pieces, and yeah, finally built it. So I hope that you enjoyed this interesting speed build, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.